Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, my new subscribers and my intending subscribers, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I've been away for a while due to some personal reasons, but now I have come to stay. So today I'll be showing us how I unbox my new filming tool, which is my 18 inches ring light, 18 inches rechargeable ring light that I got few months back, but I'm just receiving my ring light like day before yesterday. So I'll be showing us how to set up the 18 inches ring light. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that subscription button now. Don't forget to like my video and share and comment. Thank you guys. Stay back and watch my video. So guys, this is the 18 inches ring light, rechargeable ring light, and this is the tripod stand. This is the package. This one comes with carton, so it's just does not have anything, any label. This is the main ring light. So let's open this first. It has a nylon. I'm using it here so that it can expand. Tighten it back. And if you want to make it long, I'm losing it here too. Can you see? Tighten it back. And here too, if you want to make it longer. Let me just set to the size of my height now. Yeah. So the tripod stand is not that long compared to my 10 inches ring light I got some years back. The tripod stand is longer than this, so this is just the height, and I don't really like it. It's just the height. The height not long, but it's manageable. You can manage it. So onto the main thing. So yeah, I don't have a shape. Let me use my pockets. I don't know if you guys can see it because I'm not even seeing myself. Let's just, yeah, it comes with a bag. Like the bag is it's padded. The bag is padded and it's very thick. It's very okay. The bag is padded and I like it. So let's open the bag to see what's inside. Ta-da! So this is the ring light. It has nylon. Yeah. So guys, this is my new ring light. This string is to tighten it to the tripod stand edge. Let's do it. I have to reduce the height so that we can all see it. Oops. This one is okay like this. Using it here so that it can enter this pan. This is how far you can go. Yeah, that is tighten it back. Yeah, make sure it's very firm so that it's not just so this here is for the rotation. For the rotation, if you're losing it, you'll be able to get it like back and forth. That's it. That is the work. And this here is the adapter. Don't know the work of this one, sha. So this is the ring lights after fixing it on the tripod stand. Sorry. Yeah. So it comes with TV phone holder. Let's check here. That's the inner purse. It has inner purse here. You can keep your phone holder, and that's the remote too. Yeah, that's the remote. This is the charger. This is the tripod. This is the remote. It comes with remote and it has battery. Battery is already inside. 3-second holder. This is the third holder. These are the sticks. So let's fix one of them. So this is it. Yeah, so it can rotate 360 degrees, any angle. Then I think there's nothing more inside here. Let's here. Yeah. Fix this one. Fix this one here. Firmly, like fix it firmly. Yeah, this is it. Can you see? This is it. It's very firm. It can hold your phone and it won't fall. It can expand. So that's it. This is the on and off, and this is the to change the color, because it has 3 colors. That's white, one color, and should I call it orange color, or it has 3 colors. When I fix it, when I plug it, I'll show us the colors. So that's just it. You can operate it with remote anyway when you're not close with the ring lights. The remote is very working and it's very active and working. Yeah. So this is it. This is the power. This is the adjustment button. You can adjust it to any temperature you like. And this is the highest. This is the warm color, white color, and medium warm. This is the white color, this is the warm color, and this is the warmest. Yeah. So guys, this is without the ring lights. I've not on the ring lights, but my light is on. This is, I have on the ring light now, but it's very dim. So can you see? It's very light and like very light. This is the on button and this is the off button. This RGB means if you want to change the color from white, warm, and medium warm. This one in the middle is just for the permanent white. If you want the white color, just press the middle. Like, let's change the color now. So if you want to change it to white color, press it. Yeah. Without the ring lights, with the ring lights, can you see the difference? Very bright, and I love it. Okay guys, that's all for the video. If you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share. Thank you.